guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone as a mic if your PC doesn't have any discrete mic. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to download WO mic from Play Store, and then you have to go to the setting as I'm going right now, and then you have to choose the transport mode. In my case I'm using Wi-Fi as my PC and phone are connected on the same Wi-Fi internet. You can either choose Bluetooth, USB and all, and when you press on the play button you will see your device IP address there. Now go to your PC on any web browser you have, and there type the WO mic. After that click on the first link. If you don't find the link, I'll drop the link in the description box, don't worry about that. Then you can see a little bit of documentation here. It says that you have to install it on phone, and then you have to install the client. After that you have to install the driver. As you can see, I have downloaded the both previously. Now after installation is completed, you have to open the application, and after opening the application you will find out that you can see here, as I'm showing right now here, there is a tab called connection. After that, since my device is previously connected, go to the connect, and there you can see the method like Bluetooth, USB. After that click on Wi-Fi and type in here the IP address of your smartphone, and there you go, your device got connected. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.